So do you win all the burping and farting contests in your family, or do you simply clear the room when you pass gas? Well, you probably have a gut problem. There's lots of problems that can be there. It can be bacterial imbalances like called dysbiosis, or it can be unwanted critters like parasites, worms, and
yeast.
Or it could be a trouble digesting like a lack of enzymes or acid. But you never really know, and so it's worth doing a accurate, thorough, comprehensive stool profile. So don't guess, test. Because otherwise you might waste a lot of time and money with all different remedies and you never hit the nail on the head. Because gut health is everything, unless you want to keep winning those contests. Research shows that clicking the thumbs up and subscribe button will make fingers healthy and strong, and besides, it's free.